Today we're here at the Hera's Nightmare retail store. This is actually the gift shop for the haunted house that they're getting ready to debut here in 2024. It's a brand new haunted house here in Maryland. This is just a sneak peek of the gift shop, but definitely come back and check out the haunted house during haunt season.
Ooh, we go in. Oh, they're gonna scare us in here, holy crap. Oh, we're in heaven. This is a gift shop. It's Frank.
Wow.
I know, got the horror ornaments going. Ooh, that is fantastic. I love that. Look at the kitty bat. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're gonna be in here for a while. Oh, I like that purse. That is freaking cool. It's my little friend.
Little friend?
It's my little friend. Oh my goodness. Look at that. There's so much cool in here. So much. Look at the little bats. Wow. I love that guy. I don't know if I'd trust him.
He's
It's a clown with a hammer.
You can't trust him.
Hey, good-looking. Welcome to Hera's Horror Shop.
That's awesome.
Back in October for all the nightmares.
Yeah. That's awesome. Come back in October.
What they got over here?
Coffee and scary movie popcorn.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think we're probably gonna be leaving some of that coffee.
I know, I was looking at trying to figure out which one. Like, you can't go wrong with pumpkin. He's telling jokes.
I don't know. Why?
Yes.
Oh, they talk to each other,
Guts.
Because he had no guts.
right?
Why was the jack-o'-lantern afraid to go into the haunted house is what it asked. Oh, there's a raven skull candle. Wow.
It's bath bombs there, looks like. Maybe.
Yes. Let's get smashed. I like him. This guy's funny.
You got there?
These are sanitizer pouches, but they're like all customized. So this one's Stranger Things. And it's got the Demogorgon on there. And then this one's just kind of like your horror zombie. They're awesome. This stuff is really nice, high quality too. Well, they even have little lighter pouches. Like all kinds of customized stuff. Ooh, ooh. Wax melts and there's little skulls. Oh my goodness, what are these? So they're like potions and they're little wax melts, but each one of them is a different potion. Hi, little buddy. Oh, look at the bat. We have to leave with this bat. He's mine. Look at those creepy clowns up there. Of course, your 3D printed artwork. I love the little Reaper. He's so cute.
Alright guys, if you like this gift shop, I got another video for you right here. It's a year-round Halloween store in Indiana. We're also going to hit some haunted houses while we're here in Maryland. Maybe we'll see you in one of those too. Until then, stay scary.